amazing, 100 vocabularies, and its examples. Abundant, more than enough, plentiful. Abundant, more than enough, plentiful. Accomplish, to successfully complete something. Accomplish, to successfully complete something. Accurate, correct and without mistakes. Accurate, correct and without mistakes. Adapt, to change to fit new conditions. Adapt, to change to fit new conditions. Admire, to respect or like someone or something. Admire, to respect or like someone or something. Affection, a feeling of love or care. Affection, a feeling of love or care. Aggressive, behaving in a forceful or angry way. Aggressive, behaving in a forceful or angry way. Ambitious, having a strong desire to succeed. Ambitious, having a strong desire to succeed. Analyze, to examine something carefully. Analyze, to examine something carefully. Anxious, worried or nervous about something. Anxious, worried or nervous about something. Appreciate, to recognize the value of something. Appreciate, to recognize the value of something. Artificial, made by humans, not natural. Artificial, made by humans, not natural. Assume, to suppose something without proof. Assume, to suppose something without proof. Attitude, a way of thinking or feeling about something. Attitude, a way of thinking or feeling about something. Attract, to draw attention or interest. Attract, to draw attention or interest. Benefit, an advantage or good result. Benefit, an advantage or good result. Brief, short in duration or length. Brief, short in duration or length. Calculate, to find out something using math or reasoning. Calculate, to find out something using math or reasoning. Capable, able to do something well. Capable, able to do something well. Cautious, careful to avoid danger or mistakes. Cautious, careful to avoid danger or mistakes. Challenge, a difficult task or problem. Challenge, a difficult task or problem. Clarify, to make something clear or easier to understand. Clarify, to make something clear or easier to understand. Compete, to try to win against others. Compete, to try to win against others. Complicated, difficult to understand or deal with. Complicated, difficult to understand or deal with. Concern, worry or interest in something. Concern, worry or interest in something. Encourage, to give support or confidence to someone. Encourage, to give support or confidence to someone. Energetic, having a lot of energy. Energetic, having a lot of energy. Enthusiastic, showing great excitement or interest. Enthusiastic, showing great excitement or interest. Evaluate, to judge the value or quality of something. Evaluate, to judge the value or quality of something. Evidence, information that proves something is true. Evidence, information that proves something is true. Examine, to look at something carefully. Examine, to look at something carefully. Expand, to make something bigger or larger. Expand, to make something bigger or larger. Expensive, costing a lot of money. Expensive, costing a lot of money. Explain, to make something clear by giving details. Explain, to make something clear by giving details. Flexible, able to change or adapt easily. Flexible, able to change or adapt easily. Focus, to give attention to something. Focus, to give attention to something. Fragile, easily broken or damaged. fragile, easily broken or damaged. Frequently, happening often. Frequently, happening often. Generous, willing to give or share freely. Generous, willing to give or share freely. Genuine, real, not fake. Genuine, real, not fake. Gradual, happening slowly over time. Gradual, happening slowly over time. Grateful, thankful for something. Grateful, thankful for something. Guilty, feeling bad about something wrong you did. Guilty, feeling bad about something wrong you did. Harsh, very difficult or unpleasant. Harsh, very difficult or unpleasant. Hesitate, to pause before doing something. Hesitate, to pause before doing something. Identify, to recognize or find out what something is. Identify, to recognize or find out what something is. Ignore, to not pay attention to something. Ignore, to not pay attention to something. Illustrate, to explain with pictures or examples. Illustrate, to explain with pictures or examples. Imitate, to copy someone's actions or behavior. Imitate, to copy someone's actions or behavior. Impress, to make someone admire you. Impress, to make someone admire you. Indicate, to show or point out something. Indicate, to show or point out something. Injure, to hurt or cause damage. Injure, to hurt or cause damage. Inspire, to give someone the desire to do something. Inspire, to give someone the desire to do something. Instant, happening immediately. Instant, happening immediately. Intelligent, smart or able to learn quickly. Intelligent, smart or able to learn quickly. Interact, to communicate or work with someone. Interact, to communicate or work with someone. Interrupt, to stop someone while they are speaking. Interrupt, to stop someone while they are speaking. Introduce, to present someone or something for the first time. Introduce, to present someone or something for the first time. Investigate, to try to find out the truth about something. Investigate, to try to find out the truth about something. Involve, to include or take part in something. Involve, to include or take part in something. Jealous is feeling unhappy because someone has what you want. Jealous is feeling unhappy because someone has what you want. Journey, a trip or travel from one place to another. Journey, a trip or travel from one place to another. Justice, fair treatment or behavior. Justice, fair treatment or behavior. Kindness, being nice and considerate to others. Kindness, being nice and considerate to others. Knowledge, information or understanding about something. Knowledge, information or understanding about something. Mature, fully developed or grown up. Mature, fully developed or grown up. Memorable, worth remembering. Memorable, worth remembering. Miserable, very unhappy or uncomfortable. Miserable, very unhappy or uncomfortable. Mysterious, difficult to understand or explain. Mysterious, difficult to understand or explain. Necessary, needed or required. Necessary, needed or required. Neglect, to fail to take care of something. Neglect, to fail to take care of something. Numerous is many, a large number. Numerous is many, a large number. Obedient, willing to follow rules or orders. Obedient, willing to follow rules or orders. Observe, to notice or watch something carefully. Observe, to notice or watch something carefully. Occasionally, sometimes, but not very often. Occasionally, sometimes, but not very often. Opinion, a personal belief or thought. Opinion, a personal belief or thought. Opportunity, a chance to do something. Opportunity, a chance to do something. Organize, to arrange things in order. Organize, to arrange things in order. Participate, to take part in something. Participate, to take part in something. Patient, able to wait without getting upset. Patient, able to wait without getting upset. Permanent, lasting forever or a long time. Permanent, lasting forever or a long time. Persuade, to convince someone to do something. Persuade, to convince someone to do something. Pleasant, enjoyable or nice. Pleasant, enjoyable or nice. Polite, having good manners. Polite, having good manners. Positive, hopeful and confident about the future. Positive, hopeful and confident about the future. Practical, useful in real life. Practical, useful in real life. Predict, to say what will happen in the future. Predict, to say what will happen in the future. Prefer, to like one thing more than another. Prefer, to like one thing more than another. Previous, happening before something else. Previous, happening before something else. Proud, feeling pleased about something you did. Proud, feeling pleased about something you did. Reasonable, fair and sensible. Reasonable, fair and sensible. Recognize, to know someone or something from the past. Recognize, to know someone or something from the past. Recommend, to suggest something as a good idea. Recommend, to suggest something as a good idea. Reduce, to make something smaller or less. Reduce, to make something smaller or less. Reliable, someone or something you can trust. Reliable, someone or something you can trust. Remind, to help someone remember something. Remind, to help someone remember something. Separate, to divide into parts. Separate, to divide into parts. Similar, almost the same. Similar, almost the same. Temporary, lasting for a short time. Temporary, lasting for a short time. Wonderful, very good or amazing. Wonderful, very good or amazing.